everyone, my name is Kanika.
Hi guys, my name is Anchit and this is our Virtue Baby Affirmations.
So we wish to share our journey of pregnancy until delivery. So when I got to know about my pregnancy, I was in Delhi and ma'am used to sit in Gurugram. So we visited ma'am, um, and it was our first meeting with ma'am, and I was already feeling so connected with her. It wasn't like that हम पहली बार मिल रहे हैं या कुछ और it is my first pregnancy, so there was lack of experience and knowledge also. So I had a lot of questions on my first meeting. Ma'am answered all of the questions very patiently. The most important question which was going in our mind was कि हम दिल्ली में रहते हैं and if we have to follow ma'am तो हम गुड़गांव up down 50 kilometers one side कर पाएंगे या नहीं कर पाएंगे, and इवन इफ प्रेगनेंसी की जर्नी में कर लिया क्योंकि कम विजिट्स होते हैं कंपैरेटिवली, अगर लास्ट डेज ऑफ डिलीवरी में कैसे होगा. बट मैम explained everything with so much of clarity, with logical reasoning. She said कि अगर वाटर भी ब्रेक हो जाता है तो भी 4 घंटे होते हैं, there's nothing to worry about. And
I think since then we kept confidence in ma'am and we are always like we are fine traveling. Everybody used to tell us कि इतना travel करना, you should find a doctor near your house. But we always kept that confidence in ma'am, and then we traveled, and I think it was a fun journey for us. It was like a picnic for us. Every time we used to visit, then we used to go out, eat, have cheat days, and then it was a wonderful journey, I think.
Yeah, in fact, like हम लोग बाहर आते थे मैम से मिलके and we were like चलो बस everything is sorted, there is no questions, nothing, let's keep moving on. And I think one of the reason for this is also because there are a lot of videos online on Virtue Baby channel, and most importantly मैम ने एक सीरीज स्टार्ट करी थी वीकली प्रेगनेंसी की सीरीज, जिसमें एवरी वीक में आपकी बॉडी में क्या हो रहा है ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी उसके बारे में आता था. So even if I used to go and visit ma'am once in 4 weeks, once in 5 weeks, or once in a month something, but because of those videos my mind used to be sorted कि मेरी बॉडी में आज वीक 4 है, आज वीक 10 है, क्या चल रहा है, क्या चेंजेस आ रहे होंगे. सो इवन अगर मेरे को ऐसा नहीं होता था कि यार अभी तो 15 दिन है, मेरी बॉडी में ये हो रहा है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है.
We ordered that book. It's called Womb Conversation. It's very interesting. Even for guys, like I used to wonder that what would be the size of the baby, what parts would be developing. So that book gave us a lot of clarity. It has like daily conversations with your baby,
right,
where he tells you how big is he, how is he growing up, what kind of parts is he developing and everything. So
and it helped me to connect with the baby. पूरा दिन के ऑफिस के बाद I had my own personal area. तो मैम बोलती है अपना रूम में एक स्पेस बनाओ, एक डिवाइन स्पेस बनाओ, वहाँ बैठना. मैं वहाँ बैठती थी. मेरा रूम में एक ही पर्टिकुलर बेडरूम में कॉर्नर था, मैं वहाँ बैठती थी, अपना ऑरेंज लैम्प चलाती थी. वूम कॉन्वर्सेशन बुक, मतलब वो 1 घंटा मेरा होता था पूरी विजुअलाइजेशंस करना. जो बुक में लिखा होता था, आई वुड टच माई बेली एंड एज इफ आई एम रियली टॉकिंग टू माई बेबी, एंड विजुअलाइज करना कि अच्छा ये अभी डेवलपमेंट हो रही है, his head is developing beautifully, everything. So that book really helped me with everything, not just with knowledge, but with it empowered me as a mother also to connect with my child. I was also continuously listening to the meditations, pregnancy meditations, about different virtue of peace, love, and I would just visualize that all of those virtues are there in my child, and I would just feel satisfied कि I am just in the right set of hands, कि I have all set of information scientifically which I need. I am empowered spiritually. There was also one of the very nice program done organized by ma'am with Sister Shivani, which told कि how we should connect with our child in our womb. हमारी बातें, हमारी feelings कैसा बच्चा सुनता है. It was a beautiful program. So I just can't stop myself from telling how much these things has helped me. Such a great influence these things have on me. I think it was a blessing in disguise. I have always tried to lose my weight all throughout my life, and when pregnancy में लोगों का weight बढ़ जाता है, I would like to tell you कि मेरा weight बढ़ा ही नहीं. In fact, I lost my weight. I lost my unnecessary flab, and I've delivered a healthy child. So, and my diabetes control में है. And I now fit into my clothes which used to come to me 5-6 साल पहले. शादी से पहले के कपड़ों में मैं आराम से आ जाती हूँ डिलीवरी के बाद.
I think it was all because of our confidence in ma'am. Or initially, I think we decided kind of, it was clear in our head that we'll follow the guidance which ma'am provides, and we'll follow the doctor's advice. We'll not go by orthodox or myths around pregnancy and the journey. So I think we kept that in our head always, and I think it really helped us.
It really helped.
And we never doubted it. We never were in doubt. And I think after our pregnancy, we were thanking that yes, I think everything went so well that we were happy that we took that decision, and we never got into those unorthodox methods or those myths around pregnancy and the diet.
Absolutely.
So I think it really kept us happy.
Yeah, very true. In fact, so I would just like to tell you about something about my delivery also. I was into 3 days of labor, and I delivered after 41 weeks. Usually, and people do not go till 41 weeks waiting for normal delivery. But I had this thing clear in my head that I will deliver normally, no matter what. There was a lot of people telling me, friends and family, कि अरे diabetes के अंदर तो जल्दी delivery हो जाती है.
And then I think during our regular checkup or regular ultrasound, we got to understand that there are two loops of cords around the baby's neck.
Yeah.
And like that was a very critical or a worrisome situation for us. But I think when we met ma'am was like, just don't even think about it. Everything is normal. You don't have to worry.
मैम बोलते कॉर्ड वगैरह तो होते रहते हैं. हमने पढ़ाई लिखाई करके ऐसे खड़े कैसे हुए हैं ये, अगर हम ये नहीं देख सकते. I was like, ये तो मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं. और मतलब आफ्टर दैट अपॉइंटमेंट विद हर, मैंने उस थॉट को दिमाग से ही निकाल दिया कि इसके गले में कोई कॉर्ड भी है, या मेरा वेट ज़्यादा है, या मेरे को डायबिटीज़ है, या मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं. मतलब आई वॉज सॉर्टेड. और जब डिलीवरी होनी है तब होनी है. और मेरी विजुअलाइजेशन पक्की थी. मैम ने बताया कि नॉर्मल डिलीवरी होगी, अपनी मेडिटेशन सुनते रहो और अपनी डाइट करते रहो, जो तुम्हारे हाथ में वो करते रहो. एक्सरसाइज मैम वर्चुअल बेबी प्रोग्राम के थ्रू ही मैम उसमें योगा क्लासेस भी ऑर्गेनाइज कराते हैं, नमाज क्लासेस वगैरह मैंने सब अटेंड करी. और जो वर्कशॉप में बताया मैंने एज इट इज़ फॉलो करा. और माई हस्बैंड वॉज इक्वली सपोर्टिव. हम लोगों ने नमाज की क्लासेस साथ में करी, एंड वी वुड मेक फन ऑफ ईच अदर की लेबर रूम में मैं ऐसे वाली बैक टू बैक वाली जैसे नमाज के अंदर मसाज बताई थी, आई वुड हेल्प यू. And he was always there. And I think this program not just enabled me as a mother, but him as a father as well.
I think a lot of time guys don't even know, they are willing to help, they want to help, but they don't know how. So I think that kind of answered a lot of my questions, where I was confident, and I knew that where I can help, where I need to trust the doctor, where I need to where I need to intervene. So I think that was very clear in my mind, and I think I was able to support
completely.
Yeah. So it was a good experience overall. It was a great journey, and I think finally having a normal baby or a C-section, that doesn't matter, because everybody's body or everybody's journey is different. But yeah, we got what we wanted because we kept our mind very sorted. We kept ourselves very calm, and we were always confident on our doctor. So we never had any doubts. We never went for any second opinions. And I think talking to ma'am was a wonderful experience in itself. She is like, she treats you like a kid, and I think that is what we wanted.
Right.
We wanted some guidance, and what best than a doctor. So obviously, I think it was a wonderful experience for us.
Very true.
Yeah.
So just to share my piece of final thing, I was into labor for 3 days. I was admitted on 16th of June midnight, and I delivered 17th of June night. All throughout this day, I was induced with labor. All throughout the day, ma'am was in constant touch with me. Ma'am's team was in constant touch with me. मैम को एक दो बार फ़ोन भी किया. मैम वॉज ऑलवेज अवेलेबल. और जब मैं लेबर रूम में थी, बहुत पेन था, बट आई हैड दिस थिंग माइंड सॉर्टेड कि मैं उस टाइम भी अपनी मेडिटेशन वगैरह करती रही, माइंड में अपनी विजुलाइजेशन करती रही. मैंने तो डीप ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस मैम के प्रोग्राम के थ्रू मैंने सीखी, वो सब करती रही. जब मैम आए, मैम ने डिलीवरी का प्रोसेस स्टार्ट किया. मैम ने एक प्रेयर करी मेरे साथ, एंड आई वाज लाइक नाउ आई एम इन कम्प्लीटली सेफ हैंड्स, देयर इज नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट. मैम ने जैसे जैसे बोला मुझे गाइड करा, पैर ऐसे रखो, पुश करो. मैम की टीम वाज देयर. आई जस्ट कम्प्लीटली डिड इट, एंड या मैं नॉर्मली डिलीवर करा. जब बाहर आया बेबी, तब भी उसके गले में 2 कॉर्ड्स थी. आई हर्ड मैम सेइंग कि उसके गले में 2 कॉर्ड्स हैं, एंड मैम ने उसको अनरैप करा, and ma'am gave this angel to me in my hands, and yes,
so I think it was a completely wonderful experience for us, and we just wanted to share our journey, our thought process, and I think to all the new parents and who are gonna be parents, we wish you all the best in your journey, and I wish it would be as wonderful as we have, and thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.